painting. What are we gonna make a painting of? I should take requests.
1950 salsa. Aliens flying past the Northern Lights.
Oh yeah, that's what you were saying earlier. We're gonna put all that together and it's like a bitchin' painting, bro. Northern Lights are kind of in. I gotta.
And then you just make it like a meteor going through, or like a. I don't know, the Falcon 9 flying through. Maybe Mars. The Falcon Heavy going to Mars. Or metal springs and high quality. Wait, did I read that right? Or metal springs.
You should issue this person a parking ticket. Oh, you need fuel.
What is this? What are we selling?
Purple.
Oh, nice.
Maybe they'll buy it, maybe they won't. But it was full, so I had to do something with it.
Right.
If someone wants to trade a stone, great. I'll make it a free box. I just had one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 charcoal boxes up here.
Holy shit.
I was looking at making a 7.
No, yeah, time to get rid of them. Fuck. I just chuck them on the ground half the time.
I was just gonna put it out in a free box. Maybe someone will sell it, so. No way.
Yeah, why the hell do I need that? Like, shut up and take it. Just start delivering it to people, putting it in their free boxes. Like Santa Claus is dropping off coal to everybody.
Sell some other excess in the vending machine later.
Shit's getting wild, dude. How about like a alien spaceship that's you can't see because it's invisible.
I do not think so, sir.